In this video, we will see how we can analyze a data set, let's say an Excel file with GPT-4o. So here we got GPT-4o without paying. It's available for free. This is the sign to upload. Click. Now let's say the following is our Excel file. I'll click open. Now type analyze the above dataset and generate key insights. Let's say what this document is about. Here it is. It is having contact information, roll number of students, Google Drive links, representation of by names. Okay. So we have achieved this using the GPT-4o. So this is also useful for data analysis.